Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help fix Roblox join errors. First, always check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. A weak signal can often be the culprit. Next, try restarting your Roblox application or the web browser you're using. Sometimes, a simple refresh is all it takes. Finally, quickly verify the Roblox server status online. If their servers are down, no amount of troubleshooting on your end will help. These initial steps can save you a lot of time. If the basic checks don't work, let's move to more advanced steps. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as old data can interfere with game loading. Also, temporarily disable any active VPNs or proxy servers, as they might block the connection. For a few minutes, consider turning off your antivirus or firewall. These security measures can sometimes mistakenly flag Roblox as a threat, preventing you from joining games. Remember to re-enable them afterwards. When other solutions fail, a fresh start is often best. Completely uninstall the Roblox player and studio from your computer. Then, download and reinstall the latest version directly from the official Roblox website. This ensures you have a clean, up-to-date installation. Additionally, make sure your operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues, leading to join errors and a less than optimal gaming experience. Finally, let's look at network and compatibility solutions. Try flushing your DNS cache using the command prompt. This can resolve outdated IP address information. Adjust your internet security settings to explicitly allow Roblox, ensuring it isn't being blocked. If you're on an older system, running Roblox in compatibility mode might resolve persistent issues. These steps address deeper network conflicts and system-specific problems, helping you get back into the game quickly and smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.